Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Fattah bin Abdul Mukti. You can call me Fattah. My metric number 04 DKA 25F 1093. Together with my group member Fakih and Amirul. Today, I would like to speak about a comparative of mortar trowel and plastering trowel. For today's presentation, I will introduce two important tools in construction. First, the mortar trowel, and second, the plastering trowel. These are essential hand tools that are commonly used in masonry and plastering work. In this presentation, I will compare these two tools by looking at their type, function, feature and characteristic. The main objective is to highlight their similarities and difference, and to show how they complement each other in construction work. Now let's talk about the mortar trowel. This tool is usually a pointing trowel designed with a point blade. Its main functions are to apply mortar to level and smooth mortar layers, and to spread mortar on brick or blocks. In terms of feature, the mortar trowel is durable, has an easy to use handle, comes in different size and has a point shape. For its characteristics, it is lightweight, easy to control, and is considered an essential tools for bricklaying work. The mortar trowel is very important in ensuring that bricks are laid neatly and securely. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Fakih bin Muhammad Azman, or you can call me Fakih. My metric number is 04 DKA 25F 1060. Let me continue with plastering trowel description. There are few types of plastering trowel. For example, bucket trowel. There are few functions of plastering trowel. First, it was used to apply plaster. Then it was used for skimming. Last, it was used for burnish. The features of plastering trowel is varieties of blade depending on the types. Handles design is ergonomic and it has high durability. The characteristics of plastering trowel is that it have flat, wide and large blade. Handle design is like door grip. Similarities between plastering and mortar trowel. First of all, both have flat blade design. Next, both are made of stainless steel. Last, both tools have high durability and can endure heavy use. Differences between plastering and mortar trowel. First, plastering trowel's blade is more flexible than mortar trowel's blade. Next, plastering trowel's blade is wider than mortar trowel's blade. Last but not least, mortar trowel is easier to use than plastering trowel. Bye.
Today I would like to present about the comparison between plastering trowel and mortar trowel. Now let's look at the comparison table. For the price range, plastering trowel is around to 6 ringgit and above, while mortar trowel is about 3 to 5 ringgit and above. The length of plastering trowel is shorter, around 9 to 12 inches, while mortar trowel is longer, about 11 to 18 inches. For the blade shape, plastering trowel has a pointed blade, while mortar trowel has a flat blade. The model for plastering is called gouging trowel, while mortar use standard plastering trowel. Lastly, for weight, plastering trowel is like here, between 300 to 600 gram, while mortar trowel is heavier, around 600 to 1200 gram. Next, let's move to the discussion and analysis. The strength of mortar trowel is that it has a strong and pointed blade, suitable for scooping and spreading mortar. However, the weakness is that it is limited mainly to brick laying and block work. Meanwhile, the strength of plastering trowel is that it has a flat and smooth blade with ensure and even plaster finish without mud. But its weakness is that it is not suitable for scooping or carrying mortar like the mortar trowel. Finally, the conclusion. Both tools are very important in construction. The mortar trowel is mainly used for brickwork, while the plastering trowel is used for wall finishing. So we should use the mortar trowel to apply mortar and the plastering trowel to get smooth finishes on the wall. By choosing the correct trowel, we can make our work easier, improve to the quality and also increase efficiency.